Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be checking out day 20 and this is our 20th day of doing this, so I will make the big video of day 11 till 20th from worst to best in this day. This section is so much more better than 1 to 10. Anyways, so about my hiccups, let's see what we will get. Oh yeah, but God, oh, Chef Kitty skin. Let's go! We finally got the Chef Kitty, guys. I wanted this skin. It's not even like, see, where's Chef Kitty? But where's Chef Kitty? Like for the past, since day 18, I've been wondering, what the fuck is, what the hell is Chef Kitty? But we finally got Chef Kitty. And this is our last skin that was in the main cover. If we go over here, let's go check. Yeah, that looks completely different though, but oh well. Yeah, she does look so different. Yeah, anyway, so I can't wait to check her out. Let's see. Oh, new animation. She's re-animated. That's good. Anyways, let's go check her out. Alright, well, this is Chef Kitty. Oh my god, she's like completely animated. Oh, I think she got a new soundtrack as well. Let me just get this for the thumbnail. Okay. Kitty's Kitchen. I already have a feeling I know what this jump scare is gonna be. I think she's gonna like I think she's gonna throw the pan in the sky and then just hit us with it. Let's see if I'm right. Oh, beat change. Alright, okay, let's go. Alright, let's go. Never mind. I was completely wrong. She does a 360. Anyways, Kitty Chef is done. Oh guys, I will do this. Oh guys, we'll see you tomorrow for day 21, and I will see you guys. Later today, like tonight, or tomorrow morning. No, tomorrow night, about the day 11 till 20, and yeah, so I will guys see you then. Bye.